My name is Peter, and yeah, let me just give you an overview of what a proxy is and how a proxy works. Yes, so this is the landing page for a proxy. So to solve cause errors in your front-end apps, a proxy gives you a simple solution to bypass cause errors. And the, let me just show you how a proxy works really. So say you have a say you have an API you're currently calling on your front end. Let me just copy this. I think I have a note here. Oh, yes, I have a note here. All right, um say you have an API you call, right, and you have different routes. You have your slash user slash profile slash alt slash sign in, and you seem to be getting cause errors, right? What a proxy does is you give a proxy this your base URL, then a proxy gives you another base URL. So yeah, instead of api.com, a proxy gives you something like https this.aproxy.io. That is not the base URL for now. As you can see, I'm running this on localhost, but that is just how a proxy is supposed to work. So you have this, and all you just have to do is replace this base URL in your project, and every single thing is gonna work fine. Your request gets to a proxy then makes a request and handles everything about not getting cause errors. So yes, this is just the landing page. Don't worry about the payment thing. Yeah, no, this is for now. This is just the normal shenanigans. And start for free. I think I have an account. I think I have an account here. Which ones I think I have an account. And okay, what should I write? All right, I'm signed in, and here is my proxy dashboard, and I have active endpoints, and each of them have 46% success rate. That means 7 of my endpoints failed. So you just basically get analytics on your endpoint, and then right here I have 6 endpoints, like I said. um so let's view this of this. So from this you can see that this has had 9 hits. That means I've made the request 9 times, and the success rate is 44%. That means I've made a request and it was successful 2x or 3x 44.4% of the time. um the response time is 2528 millisecond, and that is 2.5 seconds. And just the request traffic per time. So you have a graph to see the traffic per time. There should be distribution, status code distribution, and whatnot. So you even get analytics for your URL too from here. And this is uh this is just the logs that were printed from, and you can be sure that a proxy does not store your data, right? You don't store whenever you have a response body or something. Nah, those are not stored. You just store details about the method, the paths, the status, and the response time. That's all. So even if you're trying to sign in via something via email and password, a project does not save any of those. And you can create a new endpoint, just the normal stuff. Um, new endpoint, say my new endpoint, target URL, https say api.google.com by false errors, and you can set the rate limit, request permit. There's custom headers. Say you have an authentication credential that you don't want exposed on your front end, right? You can add these custom headers here. And you create the endpoint, and my new endpoint, you are giving a new endpoint, and if I make a request to this endpoint now with any path, it's gonna like be routed to api.google.com. And yeah, that's just how Aproxy works. I'll still give a very much better video about the whole thing. I don't think this video is nice enough. And but yeah, this is Aproxy.